Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.74 trillion. We're up 3.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.4%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of green across the board, especially in the last 24 hours, as you guys can see. And that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has finally broken above that $40,000 mark that I have been talking about for quite a while, and everything is starting to look very, very nice. So we will get into Bitcoin charts later on as well. But so far so good. But you know, one thing you guys need to keep in mind is, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you have already known this because I have said this in my previous videos. But one thing we're seeing in this recovery zone is that this time altcoins are not outpacing Bitcoin as of now. Obviously, there are certain altcoins in the markets that are outpacing it, but majority of the altcoins are lagging behind Bitcoin, and that is due to the fact that BTC dominance is rising very, very sharply. Meaning, if you're new to the markets, that means that as BTC dominance grows, guys, that means more money is going into Bitcoin rather than altcoins. So we do need to keep that in mind. As BTC dominance grows, you know, altcoins do tend to trade sideways majority of the times, and the recovery is as not fast as if BTC dominance is towards the downside. But today, guys, I want to look closer into XRP. Alright, my XRP family, if we're looking at XRP's price right now, we're currently trading at 89.38 cents. We are up 1.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down 0.1% in BTC comparative. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 7 spot. Market cap right now is $41.3 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $3.27 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for XRP, guys, I always like looking at this so we can get a better picture as to where exactly XRP is at now. So in just the last year alone, we're still up 369.5%. Obviously, in the last 30 days, we're down quite significantly, but that is due to the fact that, you know, what has been going in the markets for the last few weeks, almost a month now, as we speak. And just a couple of days ago, June 19th would mark the first day where we would mark 1 month since we did see that drop in Bitcoin's price. So you guys know what has been going on in the market. So it's not only XRP that's down, it's the entire market that is down as of now. But you know, let's waste no more time and get right into the charts and see what's exactly XRP doing and where we could be headed in the immediate short term. Alright, XRP family, if we're looking at XRP's price right now, you guys can see we have bounced back up from this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We wicked all the way down to this level, and we have seen a bounce back since Bitcoin did go towards the upwards trend. We are right now, as of now, sitting right on this level of support. So one thing I always also want to show you guys is that, you know, these lines that I make, it's not just ordinary lines that I just draw out of nowhere. These are actual support levels or resistance levels for XRP. And you guys can see, out of all, we did wick all the way towards the upside, but look where it's sitting at right now. It had a retracement since it's wick towards the upside. We're sitting literally right on this level of support. So far, so good. I do personally would like for XRP to get above and stay above this level of support in this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at the price of 89.18 cents. I would obviously like for us to get back into the 61.8. We do have a lot of we might see a lot of retracement around here because this is going to play as a level of resistance. So I'm sorry, not retracement. We might see some sort of a shakiness around here, but I would not be surprised if the 24-hour trading volume or the buying pressure is more than its current buying pressure. Then I could definitely see us breaking past this level of support. I'm sorry, level of resistance. But as of now, that is not the case, as I have mentioned earlier for you guys, because as you guys know, BTC dominance has been going up very sharply. If BTC dominance was hanging around that 42 to 40% mark, I would have not been surprised if we got back into this range by now. But altcoins are lagging behind right now because of Bitcoin, and that is mainly due to some factors. Main factor that comes into my mind is there's two. Elon Musk coming out and saying he will be, he will still be using his Bitcoins as long as Bitcoin mining does get reduced by 50%, along with South American countries starting to look into cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, very seriously and try to implement it within their countries. That is really bringing in more excitement into Bitcoin rather than altcoins right now, which makes a lot of sense. But my target right now for XRP is still around this level. Obviously, we would like a BTC dominance to fall towards the downside for us to go around there. If BTC dominance does continue to climb up, guys, it is going to be a slower move towards the upside rather than a fast recovery that we did see just prior last 2 weeks. As you guys can see, we saw Bitcoin go to $38,000, guys, and we were already at $1.06. You guys get the picture. BTC dominance around this level was very lower than compared to now, and along with here as well. So all eyes should be on Bitcoin dominance right now for altcoins. Altcoins could trade sideways for a while. Not all of them, but majority of them, because of BTC dominance. But as BTC dominance go towards the downside, we will see altcoins make a recovery once again, and we will see the altcoin season that everyone is anticipating for quite a while. But I believe we did need the shakeout that we did see because we were in the oversold territories. But if we're looking at Bitcoin charts now, we will look at this and then we will come and make a conclusion as to what is going to happen with XRP. As you guys can see, beautiful. Bitcoin is looking very, very nice. And you guys can see we have broken past that $40,000 mark. We went all the way up to $41,088 today. But one thing I would really like to point out for you guys is that we closed above $40,000, guys. And if you guys watched my video today on Cardano and VeChain, I was saying we need to close above $40,000 for Bitcoin for us to be very, very bullish. And that is looking very, very nice right now. And, I'm starting to feel very confident that, yes, we are headed to these price levels, especially $46,600 mark, guys, because this target is very crucial for Bitcoin. And so far, everything is looking very, very nice. And I still believe this move towards the upside is due to Elon Musk playing a major factor in it. Honestly, obviously, we do not like seeing how much control he has. Personally, I am not a big fan of that, but we will see what happens in the future if he still has this much power. But it does not surprise me. He is the second richest man in the world right now. Jeff Bezos took the number one spot once again, but still, guys, he's a huge figure around the world, and whatever he says will have a huge impact. So I am not surprised why his tweets do matter a lot, but I'm not a big fan of that. Obviously, if this is a fake ad, we do see whale manipulation occur. I do not want us to break below $36,155 level, but so far bears are clearly running out of steam. As you guys can see, we have been creating higher lows over the last few weeks, and this week they were only able to push Bitcoin down to $34,522. So indeed, Bitcoin chart is looking very bullish, but BTC dominance is also going up with it, which altcoin holders do not want to see initially, but so far so good. So still, guys, you guys can see we're sitting literally right on this level of support. My target is still this level of resistance at this $1.17 mark, but we need to be paying very close attention to the Bitcoin dominance charts as well. But in the immediate short term, let's say Bitcoin were to go up to this $46,600 mark. let's bring out the measuring tool. So that would be a 15.97, almost 16% move towards the upside. So we can get a better understanding as to how far we could come with a rough estimate, considering if BTC dominance stays around these levels. If that happened, we could possibly see XRP trading at $1.02 if that were to happen. If BTC dominance falls below, then yes, we can get back into this range very, very fast. Obviously, the bearish scenario would be if we break below this level of support, which we're literally sitting at right now. So if Bitcoin does go below $36,000, which we do not want to see, then yes, we could possibly get back in this range, which obviously no one wants to see, but we always have to keep an eye on that because this is cryptocurrency. Markets are very manipulated, so we need to keep an eye on this. Also, an update on the lawsuit with the SEC. This is James K. Fillon. He posted this breaking. The SEC's request to extend discovery deadline is granted. This is a kind of, not too exciting for XRP because this does slow the process for this entire lawsuit because now it has been extended till August 31st, 2021, guys. So obviously, time is money, and time it's going to take quite a bit of time for this to happen now. So this has been kind of delayed. So that is not exciting in my opinion, but I will keep you guys updated as to what happens. I'm still a strong believer that XRP is going to win this lawsuit because overall, if we do combine all the whatever news that is coming out of this lawsuit, it is favoring in XRP's way rather than the SEC. So very exciting news indeed. And you guys know, all the XRP holders, my XRP family, you guys know, as soon as XRP were to have some sort of settlement occur, I believe XRP is going to go through the roof. And I have mentioned quite a bit as to why I believe that, and that is mainly due to the fact that I believe XRP has not seen the run majority of the altcoins have seen this bull cycle. We're only up 369.5%. Meanwhile, majority of the altcoins in top 100 are up, 1,000, 2,000% in just the last year alone. So you guys get the picture. And obviously, XRP community being very, very large along with that is a very bullish sign. And Ripple continues to evolve as a company. This lawsuit is not stopping them, so that does really get me very, very bullish as well, guys. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are thinking and where you guys could see XRP going at the end of this month or possibly in the next 2 months. And come join the Telegram group chat, guys, if you have not already. And please like, comment, and subscribe. This does help my channel grow and get my videos to a wider audience. And thank you to each and every one of my viewers. I would I would like to thank you guys for taking your time out watching my video. Your support means the world to me. Thank you once again for showing so much support, especially my daily viewers. My regular viewers, your support does not go unnoticed. Always remember that I love you guys. And with that being said, stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. With that being said, I think I'm going to wrap it up. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.